Hey, Kate?
Yeah?
Buffalo chicken.
That's so cool.
Here you go.
You know, actually, I was supposed to have a soda juice.
I remember it, and then I was like,
Don't even worry about it. I got water. There you go. There you go. Yeah, thanks.
All right, well, enjoy that pizza, right?
You enjoy your pizza. Get it? Because, like, that doesn't make any sense. All right, bye. I love you. Sure, same address. I just need to make sure it's the same guy who was just here. Hey, we're back.
You ordered another pizza?
Yeah, I just love pizza. I love what you guys are doing. And look you remember the soda.
Yeah.
Did you drink a little bit of it on the way over here? You little rascal.
Well, yeah, enjoy that pizza again.
Listen, what are you doing later tonight?
I gotta work.
That sucks. What do you do for work?
I deliver pizzas.
I mean, duh.
Yeah.
I knew that. If you want to come over later, and like I've got at least like a half thing of soda too.
That's pretty
so
cool.
we can do that.
I'm down for that. Is it Pizza Girl?
Yeah. Pizza. Hey!
What's up? I'm back. So brought the goodies, brought the vape pen.
Me too. You're ready to party. Not right here. I mean,
Really?
hey, where's the pizza?
What do you mean?
That was kind of our whole vibe. Like every time you came here, you had pizza. And now just looking, everything you got going is kind of mediocre.
I mean, I thought you liked me for me.
Now let me just be honest with you. Like I'm all about honesty.
Yeah.
I only liked you for the pizza.
Always happens.
Bye. Bye.